Hello, everybody. Papa
Hi.
Blue Shirt, Mama Blue Shirt, headed out on a ride today.
Yep.
And how warm is it?
67 or 68.
68 degrees, and as usual, Mama has her insulators on.
She won't leave it alone.
She's got her insulators on. I did wear a little vest today just in case it gets hot. I mean, gets cold.
You're not
Because you never
gonna
know
be cold.
with the wind, but I
No.
can always unzip this and I'll be fine.
He's gonna be sorry he wore this, because I know him.
Yeah.
But
But you got 2 coats on and 2 pairs of pants and insulators.
3 pairs of pants.
3 pairs of pants. She always has to be warm. Told her not to kick the bucket. I said, hey, stop that.
You went, oh, Ma. I said, what? What? And he goes, you kicked the bucket. There was an empty bucket in the shop, and I just kicked it to the side. He scared me. I thought I did something awful.
Ma's got 3,000
168.
on her rad, and I have 63. I've been slacking.
63?
Yep.
6,003.
No, 63.
Oh.
That's because my odometer turned over. You can add 60, what is it now? 6290 or something. No. I got it written down because it turned over. Alrighty. As my friend Tommy says, the adventure starts now. Oh, this is hard to do one-handed. Yesterday was kind of cool, but today feels nice. And I haven't even got out of my driveway yet. All the turtles in the water. Oh, it's nice down here. Wind's blowing a little bit today, but big difference when it's 67 and was 37. Riding down in what I call the bottoms. Gets really wet down here. Yep, I can feel a little bit of wind. How high the water gets here. A lot of rain here. We've had just one storm give us over 5 or 6 inches of rain. Well, that was a day. Thought my levees were going to go over. And all the way up in my garden. Well, I wonder if my dog will come out today. It's like they're building a greenhouse. See if the dog's going to come out today or not. It doesn't look like it, but they look like they're building a greenhouse. There's some car coming back, I think. Yeah. You can see it's still cleaning up here. Where you can be anything, be like Jesus. world where you can be anything. Be like Jesus. That's a pretty good proverb, I would say. You can't go wrong there. Yeah, Mama took off and left me. They try to catch up with me. There's that house there. Got the service on there, looks like. The inside work done. Love riding these back roads. Hardly ever a car down here. It's like your own little trail. Like your own little trail down here. Beautiful day. Oh, this road here needs help. They fixed that road back there, put a brand new one in, but this one was even worse than that one. I don't know why they didn't fix this one. Big old potholes. Well, we got past the Holy Road.
Yeah. I'll tell you, they needed to just bring that whole blacktop right up this road.
Yeah, it don't make sense, does it?
No, they fill up the potholes with all this gravel. That after a while, the horse and buggies just take all the gravel out.
And then just ends up a hole with a bunch of stuff on the road.
Yeah. So then you got all this tar on you. And
yeah, they needed to pave it like they did the other.
Yeah. Take the blacktop all the way out here.
Yep.
Why not?
Money, I guess.
Yeah, but look what they did down there.
I know.
Put a brand new bridge in nowhere.
That goes nowhere.
It goes to nowhere, but this bridge down here is falling all apart.
Yeah, and this one's used all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't make sense. Yeah, well, we'll head to the house, huh?
Yep.
Ba-da-beep-beep-beep. Keep seeing all kinds of debris from the tornado. I guess they said debris went like 6 miles in the air. 6 miles. I can hardly believe that. I keep finding debris in my yard too. Yep. Sure glad to have made it. You want to see how we lived through the tornado? I'll leave a link up above. It was pretty hectic. At that time, nothing else mattered. It didn't matter how much money you got in the bank or what clothes you wear or anything. All that mattered was surviving. Look at that tree right here. Sure is pretty. This little house here was blown completely off its foundation. They actually moved it to a different spot. Yep. Yeah, the fields are turning green. All the wheat. Means one thing. Spring is in the air. Marks the spot. The Exodus guy. Gotta watch out for the bugs, huh, Ma? Yeah, look at the turtles. all the turtles. I was gonna want to go fishing here real soon, probably. Yeah, 14.2 miles. It should say 14.3 miles because hers is a little bit different than mine. 77 miles. And it's 65.90 on there. I believe it is. I'll put the actual miles, what it is, for sure. Yeah, here comes Mama.
I think this was one of the warmest days.
It was nice, wasn't it?
It was beautiful, not much wind.
Yeah, there was a few spots there was a little wind, but
Yeah, but
not like there usually is.
yeah,
Yep.
great.
How many miles you go, Ma?
14.2.
The same as mine for once. Yep. Alrighty.
14.2, y'all.
14.2.
Mama Blue Shirt. Have a wonderful day, and may the good Lord take a liking to you. Bye.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.